Have you ever wanted to start investing but felt like you didn't have enough money? The truth is, in 2026, you don't need thousands of dollars to begin. You can start investing with just $100. In this video, we'll walk through simple and practical ways to start investing with $100, even if you're completely new. This guide is designed for everyday Americans looking to build long-term wealth. Why a 100 is enough, 40 won't. Investing has changed dramatically over the past decade. With fractional shares, low-cost funds, and easy-to-use investment platforms, nearly anyone can participate in the market. What matters most isn't the amount you start with. It's starting early and staying consistent. Option 1. Invest in ETF 120 220. One of the most beginner-friendly ways to invest $100 is through ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. An ETF allows you to invest in many companies at once, helping reduce risk through diversification. For example, some ETFs track the S&P 500 or the overall U.S. stock market, giving you exposure to hundreds of well-established companies in a single investment. For new investors, ETFs offer a strong and stable foundation. Option 2. Buy fractional shares 220 310. In 2026, you don't need to buy a full share of a stock to invest. Fractional shares allow you to invest smaller amounts into well-known companies across technology, healthcare, or consumer sectors. With $100, you can spread your investment across multiple companies, helping you learn how the market works while managing risk. Option 3. Consider growth sectors like tech and AI 310 350. Technology continues to shape the future of the economy. Many investors are interested in technology and artificial intelligence-focused investments, often through specialized ETFs. While these investments can experience more short-term ups and downs, they may offer strong long-term potential when used as part of a balanced approach. Option 4. Use a robo-advisor 350 430. If you prefer a hands-off approach, robo-advisors can be a great option. These platforms automatically invest your money based on your goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance. Many robo-advisors allow you to start with just $100, making them ideal for beginners who want simplicity. Important investing tips 430, 458. Before you invest, keep these key points in mind. Invest for the long term, not quick gains. Expect market ups and downs, that's normal. Only invest money you won't need soon. And continue learning as you go. Outro 450, 500. Starting to invest with $100 in 2026 is not only possible, it's a smart first step. Consistency, patience, and education can turn small beginnings into meaningful progress over time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.